Hey everyone, Mark Eric here. Excited to share some of this information with you. The question is, does Tonex sound as good as a real tube amp?
When amp capture technology came onto the scene, started by Kemper and then followed by others, I resisted. I didn't believe they would ever sound as good as real amps. More recently, when Tonex One came onto the scene, I thought I'd give it a try. And man, was I surprised. I've done some extensive testing and comparing over the last few weeks, and here is what I found.
In reference to it sounding like a real tube amp, with the guitar at full volume, I think it's between 95% and 100, with the clean amp captures being at the lower end. When you roll your volume back on your guitar, that's when you hear and feel a bit of difference. It's mostly in the dynamics.
As far as feedback, in other words, hitting a note and standing in front of a monitor or powered speaker and waiting for it to feed back, it is probably 50% there. It is very reluctant to feedback, and when it does, it's not always natural sounding or pleasant, for that matter. I'm going to play you some comparisons I did using my Marshall DSL versus the Tonex direct in.
The comparison was done just on the guitar solo.
Conclusion: I think it sounds awesome, and I recommend you get one.